Do you want to make $500 a month or $100 a week? In this video, I'm going to show you best way to make money online as a broke beginner. If you have a tight budget or you are a beginner, watch this video till the end. I'm going to show you best method to make $100 a week or $500 a month. This video can change your life if you're going to take the action what I'm going to show you here. And if you're first time watching, I will invite you to watch few of my videos. If this video is helping you to make money online, then do subscribe my channel there itself. And do not forget to smash that like button, guys, if you're gonna like this strategy, because here you're gonna learn the best method to make money online even if you don't have a budget in your hand right now. And once again, guys, thank you very much. Right now we are 1000 subscribers. To all the subscribers who are there, who subscribe on my channel, thank you, thanks a lot. With that said, let's dive in. Warriorplus is one of my favorite platform because it converts very well with a free traffic. A lot of people start their affiliate marketing journey with ClickBank, guys. That's why ClickBank is one of a beginner friendly. But trust me, guys, Warriorplus product convert very well with free traffic. Here also you have to do the same thing. You can create a free account, find your product and build your business or promote the product. It's just very simple. They have few of the features, guys, like the sales funnel. They provide a lot of upsells and downsales, and that is amazing. That means once if you promote the offer in front of the right audience, definitely you're going to make a sales with it. And few of the features of Warriorplus is amazing. Like, guys, they provide multiple payment option. You can use PayPal or Stripe, as well as, guys, you can also get the instant payment. And one of the thing is, guys, vendor profile. That means, guys, you can easily know who is the vendor of that product and you can reach out to them very easy. And this is really important. So that's why, guys, Warriorplus and JVZoo is having a lot of good vendors over there with a lot of good products also. Okay, and they also have a launch calendars. I'm going to show you right how to use all those things. So now you have to make your free account. It's free to make, guys. Once you make your free account, and then so this is the dashboard of Warriorplus, and here you can see all the products, all the top performing product. You can select by day wise, like today, yesterday, last 7 days and last 30 days. All these things are performing very well. Okay, and few of my favorite vendors product is also there, like Moshberry. Here you can see, which I kept in a favorite. So whenever they launch a product, you can see like this. Okay, these are the few vendors who launch their product regularly, and this is for small marketers. So this product convert very well. Okay, and one of the first thing which you have to do once you arrive here is, guys, you have to update your account. Okay, especially your profile. Get into here and edit your profile. You have to update your profile. It's really important, especially this place. Okay, this is very important. Here you have to introduce yourself properly. Okay, and you have to put two important things: one, who you are and how you're going to promote the products. Okay, what are the ways you're promoting, what is the email list you have, what are the methods you're using. Okay, this is really important, because, guys, this is not like ClickBank. Whenever you want to promote any product, you have to get the approval. I'm going to show you in a second how to get the approval. So once if you approved, they will come back to your profile and they're going to read all this what you have given here. Okay, then only they are going to approve you. So now let's get into the dashboard here. So here today I made like $15, and in last 7 days I made $121, as well as in last 30 days I made $565. And here also you can see the hops and the sales and your earnings also. Okay, so almost 5 sales I have done in this week. Okay, in last 7 days, which made me $121. Okay, so now, guys, you can also see the stats here. These are the two products I'm promoting: Smash CPA and Super Affiliate Biz Leads. And here you can see Smash CPA. I have got like 220 ops. I have made 9 sales and all those things, and I made total $136 with this one offer. So this is just very simple, guys. So now how you're going to do this? To do this and to get this kinds of results, guys, first you have to get into the launch calendar. So here you can see all the product which is going to launch in July 2020. Okay, as well as you can see a lot of other products which is already launched in June 2020. So you can also promote this product whatever you want. Okay, the benefit of promoting a new product is, right, it convert very well, and it's very easy to convert, right? You don't need a paid traffic for this. For this I'm going to show you the free traffic. So watch the video till the end and smash that like button. Do not forget to smash that like button. So now what you have to do is, guys, you have to select the offer, right? Especially you're going to get the product product related to, right, is a kind of a software or courses, right, which convert very, very well. For example, this Uprofito. So open this product in another right tab, and this is the product I promoted, right, Smash CPA. Okay, so now here you can see you have to send them a request to approve. Okay, but before that, this is the vendor of the product, and till now he already sold 3,000 plus. Okay, these statistics are very true as compared to ClickBank or any other marketplace. Okay, there's you can see visitor value, which is really important, and the conversion rate, which is good right now. 10 is good, and the refund rate also. Okay, and this is also the performance of the vendor. Okay, so which you can see it's very good. Okay, and a lot of people are following him because he always come with a lot of good products. You can also see the funnel here, and it will show you all the funnel map. Okay, what are the upsell you have and downsell you have, all this, right? Look at this amazing funnel. Okay, so once if you put this offer in the right audience, they will definitely going to convert here. Okay, also you can see the product values. So this is the initial, right, price for it, and you'll make a commission here. Okay, like this. Okay, all this thing till this, it's have a huge upsell and downsell. Okay, now to promote here, you can see the sales page and you have a JV page. This is really important. Here you're gonna see all about the product and what exactly product is. You can, if you want, you can get the email swipe, sales page, and all this. Okay, all this detail it is given, right? Demo of the product is also given. Okay, this is really important. This is what we needed. Okay, that I'm going to show you how to do this. So this is the entire sales funnel they have. You can see the sales page also. Here you can see the sales page if you click here. So this is their sales page, and this is the page you're going to present in front of your target audience. Okay, or the product audience. So here you can see, you can get the idea about the product, and you can have the knowledge about this product. And then guys, once if you're agreed to promote, then you have to send them a approval. Okay, you have to select here. Here you have to write the notes to this. Okay, a lot of people are got disapproved. There are two reasons: their profile is not updated and they are not writing enough. So let me show you, right, one of the I wrote here so that you can learn from here. Okay, from the top right, hello Jason, it's Raj here requesting you to allow me to promote your offer. I'm going to promote your offer through my YouTube channel. It is really important, guys. You should introduce yourself very quickly, right? How many years of experience you have and what. And the important thing is, guys, your promotional strategy. If you're not doing this properly, if you're not explaining them properly, they're not going to allow you. First, I will create a review video on Uprofito. Then I will publish on my review channel. Okay, you can give your channel address also here, guys. That means the URL. The same time, I will publish on my another YouTube channel where I already have the audience. So I have given the YouTube channel. I have an email list of 75,000 plus. So I'm going to promote with this also. And once you approve my link, I will send you the email regarding review access. Okay, thanks for approval, and you can send them this kinds of approval. Okay, just very simple. So now here you can see this, your request has been sent to the seller. And now guys, if you refresh the page, it will look like this. Okay, your request to promote this offer is pending. Okay, and now you have to visit again. Make sure to keep this URL, right? Save this URL somewhere so that you can just put this URL anywhere and you can see whether they have approved you or not. And also, if you put the right email, you're going to get the email also. Now let me show you once they approve how it will look like. Okay, like Smash CPA. So if I click here, look at this, your link is visible right now. Okay, so now they allowed me because I promoted this offer as I showed you. So your link is here. You can get the link from here. Okay, you can copy the link. You can also get the detail of the link. Now you have to promote this link. You can also save this page or the link in the Google Calendar, right? This is how I put my all launches. Okay, so here you can see green means they have approved me, and this black means which I already finished reviewing, and this red means still they have not given the approval to me. Okay, so all these things I am saving here, and I'm reviewing in my review channels. You can click here, look at this, right? And now here you can see the Warriorplus link. Okay, the same link. Okay, this one you can save over here, and you will remember the day when they're going to promote. Okay, and always you have to start promotion at least 1 or 2 weeks back. Sometime I do 1 month back also. So guys, once if your affiliate link got approved, the next very important thing is guys, contact the vendor. Here you can see, you can email them and you can contact, okay? And you can ask them for the approval. You can just send the simple mail to them that how you're going to promote and you want to review. That's it, okay? If you're not getting any access of approval or the review access guys, you can simply review the product, right? In this case guys, this vendor has doesn't have any review process, okay? This is a kind of a course, and this offer is something like, right, they're offering a secret traffic method, so they will not going to allow you to do the review, okay, inside review. So I just review this product simply, okay? For example, this is the video, okay? Look at this, the video. I just simply review the product, okay, showing them my max bounty result, because I'm also doing CPA marketing. I showed them the results of my CPA marketing, and then I review the entire product, because this product doesn't have, right, some internal reviews, okay? Just very simple guys. And in this case guys, uProfito, which we send the request, you can see here, you can open the JV page. In the JV page guys, you're gonna get the contact of the vendor. Every good product have the contact of the vendor guys, especially in JVZoo and the Warriorplus. Look at this, Jason's contact is here. He is having always a awesome product, so you can Skype him, and in the Skype guys or the Facebook, you can message him that you want to review the product, and also tell them that you send them a affiliate approval, okay? Here you can see, you can send the mail like this, right? Hello, great, you replied, here is my strategy to promote your offer. So I share them the same again, that how I'm going to promote your product through my YouTube channel, and I am also requesting you to give me the review access, okay? This is some other product guys, I'm just showing you the example. So they have given me the review, I did the review of this product. It's just very simple. So if you can see, right, Smash CPA review, look at this, these guys all are doing the reviews here, right? Smash CPA, it's just very simple guys. Just review the product guys, just see from the top to the bottom, right, to find out, right, what they are offering, right, and share the benefit according to your experience, right? You can watch few of these videos and you can learn, okay? Not this product, you can promote any product here. You have a lot of products. At least you can start with one product today, okay? You don't need to upload in your YouTube channel every day. Do one review in a week, work really hard, understand the product, and you can do. And if you don't want to create the videos like this guys, then no issues, you can do your reviews in medium.com, okay? Medium and Google site. I already have a video on this guys. Watch this video which is popping up right now in the window, okay? In this video I already showed you, right, how to do with the Medium, okay? And Medium always works guys. In my video I have already showed you. So if you type in the Google uProfito review, and here in the bottom you can see this guys, medium.com, okay? Do not follow this method guys which they are doing, because Medium is going to stop you doing that, okay? I already created the video which just now I shared, right? The link also I'm going to give you in the description, so that you can watch that video. If you want to write the review properly, you can watch that video, that is enough. Also, if you want to create the videos, right, you can see uProfito review. Look at the people are creating a lot of, right, one week back, okay? This is how guys you get tons of traffic just reviewing the product. You can pick the product, get the approval of the affiliate link, then send a simple mail to the vendor and review the product. Hope you really like this method. This is one of the best ever method guys for any beginner. 6 months from now guys, you can have a huge affiliate marketing business if you start today, right? Understanding, right, picking one product from here, understanding the product, and just simply review, okay? That's amazing work. That is a legit way, okay? So hope you're going to love this, right? You have any questions related to this while doing this method, let me know in the comment. Hope you liked it. Smash that like button guys. Do subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed till now, and smash that like button. Thank you.